Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now I hope you're all staying safe and staying at home, and in today's video we are on Minecraft on the Bedrock edition, and we're going to be showing you how to build a resource friendly water elevator in survival. So yeah, the items you're going to need is a block of choice, a bucket of water, some slabs and a door. Now what you want to do, you want to start putting blocks up in as high as you want. So you can do this as high as you want or as low as you want. So I'm just going to go a little bit bigger than the one I've already built. So you just build a tall block by block as high as you want. And then you go to the corner like I have here at the same height and do it again on the opposite side like that. And then you want to come around to the back, take a block out and place a block like this. Take that block out, join them up like that, and then you want to put your slab like this, and then you want to come down. Let me just check here. So you want to go back up, sorry, and you want to place your water in between the block and the slab, and then it should flow out on the bottom, but we'll sort that in just a moment. Then this is where you want to place your first area to, like, your first platform to get out, or you can have it wherever you want. So I'm just going to do 2 there, and then I'm just going to dig out the floor so it looks a bit better. Then what you want to do is you want to come inside and place your door, and then put 2 slabs like that. So now you can open and close your door. And then on this one, you can put a door here, but I'd suggest not putting one because I find it easier. Not like, what's the point? I normally have one right at the bottom and one right at the top. So it could be like that. And then you come back up to the top, and we just need to encase the roof so it looks a bit better. And there we go. That is the water elevator complete. Now you can just put blocks wherever you like, and some slabs and some stairs to make it look a bit more realistic, a bit more presentable. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more Minecraft videos, tutorials, or any other videos, then please comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and until next time, it's been good, it's been great, and don't forget to stay safe.